this video is a desk tour video. Now I never thought I'd be one of those girls who makes a desk tour video, because like, what's there to show on a desk, right? But this video is a desk tour for some reason, because you guys are asking for it and anything for you all. So make sure to give it a thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram at Samriddhi Awasthi and on Twitter at Samriddhi07. And let's just get started. So this is what an overview of my desk looks like. But we'll start off here. And by the way, I also have this chair to go with it, and I also have these two like drawers. Like, it contains all the junk. But coming here, the first thing I have is this tiny box. I guess it's empty, it has nothing in it. Okay, it has pencil shavings for some reason. Okay, did not expect that. But I just like, this is an antique box and I have pencil shavings in it, so probably have to remove that. And then this is a candle. This is the apple sake. Now one of you guys told me it's pronounced sake, so I guess it's that. It smells so good. It's from Miniso. I ordered another one from Miniso, like a vanilla one. That one's, I hope that will be good. Then is this thing. This is like a motivational quote sort of, to just help me concentrate more. It says never give up, and this frame was gifted to me by my cousin actually. It's from Simi Vogue. That's that. And then this is the globe, because you know I love traveling, but I've never traveled anywhere, so but I still love to travel and I'll probably go after coronavirus and stuff. So that's that. Then here I have this mug. Now I really like this mug. It's actually from when I was very young, so I thought of reusing this mug. It's actually a very cute mug. I have another one like this one. So it contains like basic stuff, all the basic stuff which you need in like on a daily basis, and it has this really cute like donut pen also. So yeah, that's very cute, and it has all the basic stuff like markers, then pens, and I don't know, it has whitener. I didn't even know we had whitener, but I guess we have, and pencil and like ruler and stuff. So that's that. Moving on here, I usually keep my laptop or my iPad over here, just because I like want to study here. For some reason the screensaver isn't showing right now, but my video is exporting, so we'll leave it to that. Moving on to this side, I have my bottle here. I usually keep my water bottle here when I'm studying, because I like to drink water, and you should too. This one is from Melton. Then moving on here, I have this lamp. This was actually sent to me by a company, Banggood. It's a very good lamp, but I lost the charger. Can you imagine? I'm so dumb. I just lost this charger and now it doesn't work. So that's that. I'll have to probably like just fix that one, find the charger, because I can't find it. It's lost somewhere between my stuff. So it's a very good lamp and I love it. It's in white color because white is my favorite color and blue is my favorite. So these are my favorite colors. Okay, moving on, we have this clock. Now this doesn't work. I have to replace the batteries. You guys are just seeing like how insane or like how like weird I am. Okay, I have a clock that doesn't work, but I still have it. But I love this clock, you know, it's just aesthetic, that's why I keep it here. Then after this not so working clock, I have two rulers here for some reason, because I can't work with one, you know. I need two. I need everything two in my life. I'm just kidding. I don't even use these other than for measuring my height. Okay, so coming on to this part of my desk, I have a bunch of stuff. So this is a tray which I had in my house, so I just thought of organizing it. Now my desk isn't this organized, if you're wondering. I just organize it right now for the sake of this video. So yeah, that's that. I'm not even going to lie. It has a bunch of stuff. So the first thing that it contains is this. Now this is where I keep all the color pencils. I have literally never even used these. Just kept right here. I have like so much more stationery than this, and I never use anything but just like a single pen. I don't use anything other than that. And then I have this. This is a stapler. I got that thing. Then I have this DOMS like wax crayons. I have so much more stationery than this. It's like a whole almirah full of it, but we'll just roll with this for now. And I have this like remote for the lights which are on my room. So that's that. I have a hole puncher. This actually comes like very useful. When I was in school, I used to keep my like exam papers in it. So this is actually a very useful thing. Then I have Fevicol, and you know what? This is probably empty. Let me just. I think yeah, it's probably empty. I don't know why I've kept it, but you know, for the show. That's why. Oh God, I'm just like too much. Then I have another chota sa stapler over here, like small stapler. This also probably does not work. No, this probably does work, I guess. Like half the things don't even work, you know. Then I have like this. I really love this class. I even planted like a tree over here, but the tree unfortunately died. I'm thinking of planting another one, but I like killed off 2 plants, and I'm just so sad about that. But I also grew like 4 plants, so that's good. So I keep my a little tiny sketch pens over here. Then I have like this Dom's crayon thing. I have a lot of Dom's stationery. They should probably sponsor me. If you're watching this, Dom's, sponsor me. Just kidding. But if you do, it'll be great. So I have that here. And then lastly, I have this Minion. It's like peeled off, but in here I have like sketch pens and stuff. Yeah, that's actually very pretty. I love Minions too. Is actually this thing. Now I have no clue what this is. This is actually a glass that I found lying around here. It was a circular piece of glass. I thought of making it an orange, so I just like painted it orange, but I could not paint it like white because I did not have the paint, and it's there. It really helps me. It's a very tiny tube light, and this is where I get light source for my videos too. It's all for this video. The intro got deleted, so that's all. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you're new, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and follow me on my Instagram at Samriddhi Awasthi and on Twitter at Samriddhi07. Shout out goes to Life of Ayantika. If you want to be next video shout out, all you have to do is to subscribe and comment below anything you like, and that's all. I'll see you guys tomorrow with a brand new video. Bye.